Hey people, how are you? We've got an issue with YouTube. They seem to be changing their website around a bit. Now, I've researched this. It's getting really difficult to share playlists. Um, so I'll show you what I've worked, what I found, and uh, this does work. And so we'll just get into it. So here we are. We've got playlist, but this is my playlist, but I use other people's playlists also. So you go to the playlist page and you click on the playlist on the title, and what we have to do is grab this code, and it's from the question mark onwards. Now, the only way you can do this is by getting the embed code, which I've supplied. You will have to go to my website and grab the embed code, which is just here. So you have to go to my website and grab that code, and where it's yellow is where you got to place the playlist code. I think I've made it pretty simple. I've watched everyone else try and explain this, but it's the old website they're talking about, the old YouTube website. They're not talking about all the videos I've watched and all the research, search engine stuff is just showing the old YouTube stuff, which is it doesn't work. You can't find. There's no share anymore that I could find. So anyhow, let's get into it. So you've got the playlist just there. You got that code. I'm not going to grab it, but I'm going to show you what to do. So grab that first, copy that off my website, copy that code, then paste it to a notepad like that, and probably not the biggest. I need that bigger so you can see what's going on. Let's get that a bit bigger. Okay, so where the question mark is, or basically where all those little red dots are, they have to be replaced. So I've highlighted it in yellow. So yeah, I think I've made it pretty simple for you to do. So what we've got to do now is grab that URL from the question mark there. Grab that. That's what we need, the playlist code. And we need to go back to Notepad and place that code just into there. Ta-da! Okay, let's grab that code completely now, and we place it into I'll just try this will do. So let's place it into here, into a website, and bingo. your video playlist, 1 to 6 videos, just there. As you can see, it works. So yeah, I can't find any other way. I know it's sometimes annoying. You just want to watch it on the video and it's over and done with. But sadly, I'm gonna have to leave. You're gonna have to go to my website to get the code. It's the only way I've worked this out. If someone else has worked it out a different way, well done to them. I've put I've done a story there for people with a picture of what I've done on on my website also, if people are confused. But I think the video is more explanatory than the web is, but sometimes it's difficult, especially if you're a newbie. You know, someone that's got lots of tech knowledge, they'll know how to do this easy. Alright, well, that's what I've worked out. I hope I've helped you, and keep on blogging or YouTubing. Bye now.